Hello and welcome. Today we will focus on an exciting development in the gaming world. PlayStation 5 Pro, PS5 Pro, which is expected to be a new member of Sony's legendary console series, will allegedly offer incredible power and performance. In this video, I tell you the leaked features and possible technical features of the PS5 Pro from the first rumors. Rumored to be ambitious features of PS5 Pro, the ambitious features of PS5 Pro make it a real monster. Rumor has it that the PS5 Pro's computing power will be a full 67 teraflops, which in terms of real-world gaming performance will be equivalent to only 33.5 teraflops of floating point performance. This means that the PS5 Pro will make a huge technical breakthrough, considering that the standard PS5 only has 10.28 teraflops of power, and will even be able to compete with high-end gaming PCs. Memory and processing power comes with advanced features. There will also be a big increase in PS5 Pro's system memory performance. Allegedly, the memory of the PS5 Pro will increase to 576 GB/s from the standard PS5's 448 GB/s. The same report claims that the PS5 Pro's processor design will be the same as the OG PS5, but the new PlayStation console will increase the CPU's clock speeds to 3.5 GHz with high CPU frequency mode. This will give the Pro's processor a 10% clock speed increase compared to the standard PS5, which is a very significant improvement. Other new features are as follows. Other rumors regarding the PS5 Pro include audio improvements, up to a 35% increase in the console's audio compression manager, a 45% faster rendering speed, and a huge increase in ray tracing performance. Although all of this is exciting, there is one point that should not be forgotten. These are just rumors that have not yet been confirmed. As a result, it would not be wrong to say that the gaming world may enter a new era with the arrival of PlayStation 5 Pro. If these claims are true, PS5 Pro could be a monster that will take the gaming experience to the next level. However, keep in mind that these are all just rumors at the moment, and you shouldn't take them for granted until an official announcement is made. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and expectations about PlayStation 5 Pro in the comments.